I'm going to show you guys today how to make Brazilian cheese rolls on the blender. Now it's time to try. Ooh, delicious. Oh my goodness, look at this perfection. This is just so easy, guys. So easy. Did you see that? It took 20 minutes. You're done. Hi everyone. Here we are. My channel, Pepe's Kitchen. Hi guys. I just want to say thank you for the sponsor for this program. NalaniBotonics. Natural, chemical-free skincare. We love this in the house. This is a Brazilian eye lift made with banana oil, one of the ingredients. So it's very good for your skin around the eyes. Brazilian cheese rolls on the blender. So this is for like Sunday afternoons that you don't feel like doing too much elaborate things. Doing this, okay? So let's do this. First, what we do is we turn on the oven, 356 Fahrenheit, and let it heat, okay? Then we're gonna get 1 cup of milk, half a cup of oil. I have oil here. We're gonna blend it. Start with 2 eggs. We're gonna blend a little bit. This cheese bread is made with yuca flour. Yuca is a type of root in Brazil that the Indians make a lot of food out of this. So they make this nice fine powder out of the yuca flour, and that's the main ingredient of the pão de queijo. We say Brazilian cheese, okay? All right, and there we go. We're gonna put this in there and try to blend it. Continue seeing. We're gonna see here. So we can put one more one more egg, egg. So the recipe calls for 2 or 3 eggs. So we can put one more. Always try to break the egg before you put in things, but since I know where this egg comes from, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, so we're gonna put in here. What you're gonna see here is this nice batter here, okay? So after everything's blended, now for the last one, you're gonna put the parmesan cheese grated, 1 cup. Then you mix a little bit, of course, don't turn it on. And then you're gonna turn it on. After you mixed a little bit, you're gonna turn it on. One more ingredient that we need to put in here is salt. Taste first before you put the salt, because when you put the cheese, the Parmesan cheese sometimes is very salty. So you needed to adjust the salt. So for this now, we're gonna put just half a spoon. Okay, it's done. So here we are with this beautiful batter. See? There you go. Now, what we're gonna do is, our oven should be pretty much warm at 356. It's not there yet, it's 352. So in the meantime, the baking sheet for this is this type because the batter is soft. So we are going to grease with oil a little bit and then put a little bit in each hole here. So we put just a little bit in each, halfway, because it's going to grow. So we don't put as much. We always leave at least 1 inch off from the top. If you spill a little bit, you clean the borders so it won't burn. And there you go, ready to go bake. We bake around 25 minutes on 356. Okay? So in a minute we will come back and see. Bye. Okay guys, now it's ready. Here we are. Look at this beauty. Woohoo! There you go. Right on time. Make sure you turn off your oven. And you ready to eat with your family on a Sunday afternoon. All right, guys, here we are. Tea time. And you are my guest. Take on the day, take on the night, have a movie night, enjoy. Forget about popcorn. Have a cheese bread. Okay guys, if you like this video, click on the like, subscribe to my channel, and you always gonna have a small recipe, easy Brazilian recipe, or any other recipe that I wake up and feel like doing in the morning. Okay? Alright, see you later. There you go, Brazilian cheese bread. There you go.